when you look at what we're calling impact investing, there really isn't much to show in form of impact, but there's a lot to show in form of commercial imperatives for investing. And so arguing against the very thing that we're discussing here, what do you think? Do you think there's a real balance that can be had between the commercial imperative and the impact imperative?
I think the first thing I have to say is that before you go into impact investing, you need to be very clear what the KPIs are. And you need to have alignment between the LPs, the GPs, and the investments you're going to make. And I think, talking for ourselves, we were probably the first of the next round of funds that were raised to invest.
Does it have to be a trade-off between the commercial aspect and the impact aspect?
When I'm investing, I look at it from a point of view that this business, is it going to be successful? Is it going to be profitable? Is it going to be able to scale, grow, and actually just be like any other business, and in the process, achieve the sort of impact that I'm looking for, but that we've also agreed together. So there is alignment in that. I don't think there's a trade-off, and we've made some extremely wonderful investments. There are others that I think that I wish I'd made when the offer came through, and we were not able to actually see the impact, and then the impact was realized later. One of those is being M-Pesa.
Everyone has an impact in one way or another, but clearly defining what your mission is going to set you apart, and that's how we measure the impact that we create by touching the lives of the smallholder farmers.
So in a sense, we need to tell Aisi that he's kind of an impact investor, because if
sure he is. Sure he is.
I'm not an impact investor. I think when my good friend Duncan was talking, I mean, to me, it sounded more like an angel investor than, I mean, if your business is doing toilet and you're getting $20 million a year, surely, you're just an angel investor. You just got off going, because every business will make a loss for a while, then it'll turn around, and it'll make money. It's a hockey stick. So you just were an angel investor. You're not an impact investor.
Well, my experience actually sourcing out early stage businesses. Most of the time, actually, I come to a business and I read what they're doing. I talk to the entrepreneur and I tell him, you'd be great for me to showcase to my investors. Then he looks at the name, Impact. Okay, but I'm not an impact investor. And in India, we tried to set up a council of impact investor, the Indian Impact Investor Council. And I was on a call for 2 hours where we couldn't agree on the definition.
Thank you so much. You can now go for the cocktail.